Hello guys, hope you're doing good. Well, today we will be fixing Microsoft PowerPoint not responding or not opening. We will be doing 3 simple steps in order to fix the problem, and make sure you watch the whole video and perform the steps exactly as I'm doing. So the very first thing, in the search bar type power pnt.exe. Now once you type it, just do a right click on the best match and run as an administrator. It will ask you to say yes, and it will open up the PowerPoint for you. So see if that is working for you. If it's not, we will move to the next step, which is Windows Update. Now, there are 80% of the problem get fixed when we update the Windows. So you just have to type in the search bar Windows and go to the Windows Update settings. And here, make sure you check for updates, and you should have all the latest Microsoft updates installed in the computer. Alright, once this is done, just restart the computer and see if it's working or not. The third and very important step is just press or just do a right click on the start icon and go to run, and here type appwiz.cpl. You can pause the video and note it down to open it. So once this is done, I'll just click on OK. This will open up programs and features, and here we are looking for Microsoft PowerPoint. Since I'm using Office 365 Enterprise, I'll not get that option, but you guys will definitely get that. So you just have to select that option and click on change. Just do a right click on that and click on change. It will ask you to say yes, and you need to click on quick repair. So once you select it, we just need to click on repair, or if you get modify, then modify and then repair. So there will be an option. So this process might take 5 to 7 or maybe 10 minutes like that. And once that is done, restart the computer and see if it's working for you or not. And if it's not, please let me know in the comment section. I will surely help.